Hopefully this video will help you to clear any debris from the pump assembly, the drainage system from your Whirlpool Duet washer. You can see where the trim screws are located to remove the lower trim panel. This particular washer was displaying an SUD code. It was not able to fully drain the drum, so it would try for a while, but then it would error out. So we were able to take the rear discharge hose off, and that was full of debris, so we cleaned that already with hot water and vinegar and baking soda. We reinstalled that, but we still continued to have the error periodically. So we decided that we're going to get into the pump assembly and see what it is that might actually be obstructing it. I don't know how many models will be similar to this one, but this one's very simple to work on. Once you've removed the trim panel, you'll be able to see the pump assembly directly in the front center. It has a screw-off cap, very easy to locate. By the way, these are the trim screw holes. There's one in the center, one on the right, and one on the extreme left. Once they're removed, that trim panel comes off very easily, again revealing the pump assembly with a clean out. This clean out can simply be threaded out. You just unscrew the cap and you can remove that strainer basket very easily while your 6-year-old holds the flashlight, and you'll be able to see any of the debris that may be blocking the pump assembly. You'll find a variety of things in there. There is a spare pump, by the way, in the background there, you'll see, which I replaced unnecessarily because of a penny stuck in the pump assembly before. So it's very easy to remove items from the pump assembly. Just pull it out. That's not what it looked like when we started. It was full of a sock and a pen and various other debris, which you'll see momentarily. This is the pump assembly. To the right, the white plastic assembly is the motor, the drive motor. That's very easy to remove as well. Has a single electrical connector on the right-hand side. You remove that single electrical connector, and you'll be able to disconnect the complete pump assembly, take the pump and motor out together. Now there are also 2 hoses connected to the rear with band clamps. The right side hose is going to be the discharge, which connects to the top rear of the washing machine that discharges into your drain line. It has 1 band clamp. Just simply loosen that band clamp and slide it back, and you can pull that elbow off. In this case, I pulled the entire assembly out of the washer because it was so full of debris. This band clamp would actually release the drain hose from the drum. So you can release this unit, and up above it is another band clamp on the bottom of the drum. So you can take that black rubber assembly completely out and flush it thoroughly as well, if needed. Now the discharge hose that I removed happened to be so full of different types of debris that I had to flush it thoroughly. And you can see some of the debris that was in my pump assembly here. On the right side there is, believe it or not, a sock, very slimy, and part of a pen. So this might save you some serious expense if you're able to clean this yourself.